Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this video we're gonna make a new tutorial. Okay, we're gonna make a new tutorial. So before I'm gonna proceed, so I experiment some gadgets that I have, and it's also it's working. All right, and it's really work, right? So it is really work. So it's also I also so sorry for the background. Okay, so sorry for the background right there. So all right, so yes, okay, let's go gonna head over to this one. So yes, how to connect your on TV stick, right, into your tablet, how to connect it up, right? So it's also this is a tutorial. So we're gonna connect into this we're gonna connect it into this what is this for the camera, right? So camera viewer. So let's go gonna check it out and let's go gonna test it, right? Okay, let's go gonna have to test it. So first we've got some accessories for it. So we've got right here over here is the connect, right? So we've got the type C, which is gonna connect it to the tablet, which is also right here is the video card capture, and it's also we got here the on TV stick Android TV, right? So we're gonna have to try it out. So yeah, we're gonna have to try it out, okay? And then also how to use it up, okay? How to use it, and you can bring this anywhere if you want to, right? So let's go gonna have to check it out and let's go see if it is gonna be working. All right, so all right, here it goes, and let's gonna start it up. Let's gonna start up setting it up, and let's gonna go to head to the tutorial. All right, here it goes. All right, here we go. So we've got right here is this application right over here. We've got the USB camera viewer. So I'm gonna have to put this on, okay, and then I'm gonna have to connect this. Okay, so let's try it out. So if this is gonna be working. Oh, this is so long, right? All right, so there we go, guys. So it's already working. So since this one right over here is gonna have to like that one. So it's because of it's not straight. It's because of this one. So I'm gonna have to go to these settings. Okay, so since it is not working right, it is not working right over here. So I'm gonna have to go it up, and then I'm gonna have to how to use this one, right? So since it is not a touch screen, you cannot use, right? Okay, so I'm gonna have to go to this power on, okay, so that we can so that it will detect, right? So yeah, so it is still not detecting. So how to detect this one right over here? So and yeah, so how to okay, all right, so yeah, gonna have to like that one, right? Okay, so yeah, so all right, so yes, I had some troubleshoot, so I'm gonna have to press this two over here. So let's go gonna have to try it out, okay? Okay, and it's already blinking, right? So already blinking. So let's go gonna have to not yet, okay? So it is not yet, yeah, it is not yet connected, okay? Okay, so that was taking too long, right? Right, so So we're gonna have to try it again. Yeah, so and it's gonna be working at okay, so okay. So alright, so I'm gonna have to change this one right over here. So since remote is gonna be right for over here. So this one right here is my TV stick is I forgot the remote for this one. So I'm gonna have to change another TV box. Alright, so I'm gonna have to change the TV box so that we can figure it out. Okay, so we can configure it out. Okay. Alright, so yeah, here it goes. So this another TV box that I use is gonna be the one that I'm gonna be using it. So it's starting up, right? So since this is my main Google TV box from on, so let's go gonna have to try it on. Okay, so let's go gonna have to try. There you go. So it's working, right? So it's working, so I can change any account that I want to use. So let's go gonna have to check this out. Okay, and yeah, you can play any movies you can play any movies you want from your tablet, right? So yes, I don't think if you can connect it into a what is this called, power bank, right? If you want to use it, so you can bring it anywhere also, right? So let's go gonna have to check it out. So let's go check some gonna check some movies. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go to this okay, right over here. So I'm gonna go get over to the apps. Okay, right over to the apps is right over here is we gonna get some, so it is, so yeah, here we go. So let's try if it can be get some, right? So Google TV free play. So yeah, you're gonna go to Tubi. So let's go gonna head over to Tubi. So here it goes. So see what update your remote. Okay, so later on I'm gonna update the remote. Okay, so here it goes. So let's go gonna have to try and check some movies if we can play movies right over here. So here it goes. Yeah, so we're gonna have to turn up the volume. Okay, gonna have to turn up the volume. Okay, there we go. So we've got some right over here. So yeah, here it goes. Let's go check it out. Okay, so where am I? So I forgot what episode am I in the Pokemon series X and Y. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to, okay, I'm gonna get over here. So yeah, gonna get over here. So let's go gonna have to play. Okay, we're gonna have to play, and then it's just gonna be picking up some sounds, right? So since there is no sounds, it's because I am using a video capture card. So if I'm gonna be recorded it up, so there will gonna be a sounds of it, right? So yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to put that one right over here. So let's gonna go to the settings of this one and then enable audio. So yeah, so it cannot pick some audio is because I'm using a camera viewer, right? And also I am using a capture card. I am using a video capture card, right? So it says right here is enable audio for recording only, right? So yeah, so you cannot play if you cannot play, right? So you cannot play, but if you want to, okay, but if you want to use what is this called, earbuds or headphones, you can connect it up into your you can connect it up into your Google device, right? So let's go back to the home. Okay, let's go back to the home. So right over here is, you can see right over here at this quick settings. Right, so right over here in the quick settings is we can see some screensaver. We've got some Wi-Fi audio output, external device, right? Guys? And we got some Bluetooth. So here in Bluetooth is you can connect, right? You can connect right over there. It's my SoundPlay headphones. It is disconnected. So I use this. I use this on on the big TV when I am like that. So yeah, so it is really working though. So yeah, it is really good. So if you can if you want to use this one, so it will gonna be pick up some sounds. Okay, we're gonna be pick upping some sounds. Oh yeah, and it's also a really good right over here. So since my other TV stick is not gonna be working, is because of the separate remote control, right? So yes, and it's also you can play some anything right over here without the audio, right? So yeah, but still overall it's already working. So what you need to do is you got an USB-C USB to USB-C. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you that. I'm gonna have to show you. Okay, here it goes. You've got the USB-A to USB-C, and then also we got the video capture card connected to the USB-C adapter, and it's also we're gonna connect the TV box. We're gonna connect the TV box into this video card capture into this one right over here, so that it will gonna be like that for you, right? So yeah, and it's also I think it's gonna be working on a portable monitor, right? So if you are having a portable monitor, you can use your portable monitor to play some new movie do you want, right? So on the go, right? So this TV stick, okay, I'm gonna show to you. So this TV stick is you can bring it anywhere, or you can bring it anywhere you want. So yeah, it is also an extender. It is also as a HDMI extender, right? So if you want to extend so that you don't have to plug it out into your TV, right? So you can have some for your TV stick, right? So extender, you got HDMI extender already. I forgot to bring my HDMI extender for this one, right? So it's gonna be working also the remote for this one. So yeah, all right. So yeah, here it goes, guys. So you can also use this one into your another system, right? So I think you can use it up into your PlayStation. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be working, right? So yeah, let's go. We're gonna have to try it out into our PlayStation if it's gonna be working. But I don't know if it's gonna be working, right? So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be working. So I'm not gonna. So next time I'm gonna be making a video for that one, right? So how to connect your own TV onto your PlayStation, right? PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, right? So since they are already HDMI, right? So okay, all right. So I think that's it for this video, right? And also I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and so click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so apologies for the background right there. Apologies for the background, okay? Apologies for the background right over there. So sorry for it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming videos. Okay, stay tuned for more because I'm gonna giving you some of my new videos here on my channel. Okay, either unboxing some techs and gadgets, reviewing some techs and gadgets, and also gaming gears and gadgets, gaming console, handheld, and video games, and also EDC gear and gadgets, EDC gear, and also EDC techs and gadgets, and also tutorial, right? Tutorial. So okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.